Hi guys! Today we received a package from Chef P, the Premium Buko Pie. Tara, samahan niyo ko, buksan natin. Ang ganda ng packaging nila and makikita mo talaga na it's premium quality. Una natin buksan yung classic buko. Wow! Makikita nyo, may cheese siya sa taas. So, slice na natin. Tingnan nyo naman, ang daming laman. And next, ito naman yung kanilang ube halaya flavor. Makikita nyo, sobrang siksik talaga ang laman. Hindi siya dinaya. Kaya guys, kung if you're looking for a buko pie na talagang premium quality, try this Chef P's classic buko pie and as well as the ube halaya flavor. Ang sarap.